Hey everyone, my name is Sabel. I'm from Newcastle, Australia, and today I'm really excited to be announcing that I'm playing Collision Drumsticks. Yes, these bad boys right here. These sticks feel amazing. I'm using the 7A model and I have been for the last few months, and I gotta say, these feel amazing. I play a lot of jazz and rock gigs with these, some blues gigs, and they feel phenomenal. I can play any genre with these, and they just get the job done. They feel durable as all hell. I've been playing these for about 2 months now, and not a ding. Well, there's a few dings, but feel amazing, and they feel like brand new sticks every day. And that's what I want out of a pair of sticks. You can't go wrong with a pair of Collision sticks. The tip feels amazing. They don't feel too heavy and they don't feel too light. They're like a perfect balance. Even on a practice pad, these sound amazing. So big shout out to Carlton Banks from Collision. He's been helping me out a lot, making me pick the right sticks, making me feel like a great person to the company. And I can't wait to keep working with these guys. So right now, you're going to hear me play one of my all-time favorite solos for Big Sid by Max Roach. So please keep a listen, man, and keep playing Collision sticks if you can. Go out, get yourself a pair, support this company because these guys are phenomenal.